Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix my AI features not showing on your Snapchat. Then I will give you the easy method to get your AI features on your account. As you know guys, there is many people has the same problem that the AI not showing on your Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, go and open your settings. Then guys, you need to get the last update, then the last version of Snapchat application. Click on update, then you need to update the applications on your Apple and Android devices. Then guys, after updating your application and Snapchat application, then go back and open your settings. Then guys, open your settings, then scroll to general. Then guys, scroll also and click on iPhone storage. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then guys, click on the search bar and tap Snapchat. Then guys, after opening the Snapchat, then in the middle and click on offload applications, because after offloading the application it will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps the document and data, and reinstalling the application will place back your data and the application is still available in the Apple Store. Then guys, after offloading the application, go and open Snapchat. Then guys, automatically will appear on your Snapchat applications. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.